Hey there, Python coders and HTML enthusiasts. Welcome to this video, where we'll crack the code of a Python function that checks if HTML tags are properly matched. Buckle up, grab your headphones, and let's dive in. What's the code about? Imagine you have a messy pile of HTML code, and you want to know if all the opening and closing tags are in the right places, like puzzle pieces perfectly fitting together. This function acts as your detective, scanning the code and returning a true if everything's balanced, or a false if there's a mismatch. Today, we're cracking the code of a function that acts like a Sherlock Holmes for your HTML. It sniffs out messy code and tells you if all the opening and closing tags are perfectly matched, like two peas in a pod. Let's jump in, shall we? Breaking it down. First things first, this function, named is_matched_HTML, takes a string of raw HTML code as its suspect. It then pulls out a handy tool called an array stack, which is basically a stack of plates, perfect for keeping track of clues. Now, the detective work starts. It searches for the first symbol, the telltale sign of a tag. Think of it like spotting a footprint at a crime scene. It then keeps looking for those closing symbols, like finding the other footprint to make a match. If it can't find both footprints, there's trouble. The function throws its hands up and says false, meaning the tags are messed up. But if it finds both, it extracts the tag name, like figuring out who left the footprints. Now, here's the twist. If the tag name doesn't start with a // symbol, it's an opening tag, like finding the first suspect. So, it gets pushed onto the stack, like putting the suspect in a lineup. But if it does start with a slash, it's a closing tag, like finding the accomplice. But hold on, before accusing anyone, the detective checks if there's a matching opening tag on the stack, like checking if the accomplice's alibi matches. If the stack is empty, there's no match, so it's false again, someone's lying. But if there is a match, the detective compares the two tag names, without the slash, to see if they're partners in crime. If they're not, false it is. Finally, after checking all the tags, if the stack is empty, it means all the opening tags had their closing buddies, so the function shouts, true. Case closed, HTML balanced. Remember, this detective is pretty good, but it might not catch every single criminal tag out there. And there are other ways to solve this mystery, so keep exploring and learning, code warriors. Now, go forth and debug those HTML puzzles with confidence. I hope this explanation was clear and engaging. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. Happy coding!